Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on your Samsung Galaxy A03. To do this, we get two methods. The first one, we have to open App Drawer and select application that we want to remove. In my case it will be Samsung Health. You have to click on hold on the application. One more time, let's do this. Click and hold, and when you have this notification menu, you just have to release the icon and then you can click on the uninstall button and then confirm by tapping OK. The second method, we have to open the settings. Right here we have to go for all apps, and in this place we are also able to uninstall applications. So let's find Samsung Health, select app, click uninstall and then confirm by tapping OK. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.